Bia kamal ka Nuer Tube ka jan gwasame bana rach ka titi domnuri titi ki read ti malur kana ka talk English kana tong nath English verse Nuer. Okay. Misha we wu nga. Misha wu dono nga. Nga. Which Mendian? Ki men miss. Chiri dongri which one? Which Mendian men miss? When? Nay. When? Nay. Okay. Who's? Ngani. Who's? How? How? Idi. Dongri nang idi. How whole? Tirundi. How whole? Kia take pigmenindi. What color? Bielendian. Kia bielen miss. What time? Kia tardi. Kia tardi. Who care? Ngamadir. Who care? Ngamadir. Go to. Where? Go to sleep. Where toishni. You know. I wake up early every morning to get ready for school. En la roda jesh karun wangalong ko bo roda realeka bo dulgora. I wake up early every morning to get ready for school. En la jesh roda karun wangalong ko bo roda realeka ko dulgora. My favorite part of going to school is meeting my friends and learning new things. My favorite part of going to school is meeting my friends and learning new things. Men naka long ka wada dulgora o bawjik ka masnika ko bako ngwani wangay kel kibneda ngekel. I pack my lunch and double check my backpack before leaving for school. Laan kwan chang dar realeka kaba kis bongneka realeka angot kano dulgora. The school bus arrived at my stop at exactly 7:30 a.m. every day. En turbil dulgora la chubaka tabaro a.m. nichang. During the school day, I attend classes, participate in activities, and complete my assignment. Kenin dulgora la na wudulgora la hentin dialtin lat ke let kaba latching en changun dul gora lat. After school, I review what I learned and prepare for the next days. Kakor dulgora lan men changi ka dulgora nyok ka queen ko baroda realeka kengijan Biben Irun. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.